Happy Halloween! Avoid these 3 homebuyer horrors to avoid getting spooked. Number 1, you don't have the right support. Your agent and lender are super important players in the home buying process, but we know you're going to want to hear from your family and friends as well. Sometimes, though, buyers just get too many opinions from too many different people, so we encourage you to pick 2 or 3 trusted advisors to be a sounding board, but remember, in the end, it's your wants and needs that are most important. Number 2, you don't window shop. Many homebuyers aren't sure of what they want until they've searched around a bit. We encourage you to stop by several open houses before you're ready to sign the dotted line. Plus, if you haven't figured it out quite yet, photographers are really talented at making small spaces appear much larger than they actually are. Number 3, you don't have enough money for an earnest money deposit. Almost every contract starts with an earnest money deposit from the buyer, which demonstrates good faith in wanting to complete the transaction. Typically, the deposit is about 1% of the purchase price, and the funds will immediately be withdrawn from your account. So be sure to have extra cash on hand, separate from your down payment, stowed away and safe. Happy Halloween!